Hi there, this is Mrs. Bogus talking to you today about how we describe data. The purpose of this presentation is to explain how to describe data in a scatter plot. We don't want you to be this guy. By the end of this presentation, you will be able to accurately describe data using three main ideas. This is a level 2 skill and will be beneficial to you when deciding which function to write from a data set. When asked to describe data, such as on a quiz, practice, or test, there are three specific pieces we are looking for: direction, form, and strength. The following slides will provide you details on each of these as well as examples. First, we will talk about direction. Directions describes how the data is moving. To describe this, we use words positive or negative. Here is an example of a positive direction. The explanatory variable is the time spent studying, and the response variable is a student's grade. This data is moving in a positive manner. You'll notice this is the same as the slope of a line. Here's an example of a negative direction. The next descriptor we will use is called form. Form tells us the shape that the data is in. To describe it, we use our previous understanding of graphs to identify which shape we notice: linear, quadratic, exponential, logarithmic, or no shape. Here are two examples. The first is an example of an exponential graph. The second is a quadratic. The final descriptor we will use is strength. Strength tells us how close together the data is according to its form. We describe strength using words like strong, moderately weak, and weak. Here is an example of a scatter plot with a weak strength. We can't really tell what shape it's supposed to be in. Here is an example of a scatter plot with a strong relationship. We can tell that it's supposed to be linear and our data points are close together in that form. Let's look at an example. This scatter plot shows fat content of a restaurant sandwich compared to its calorie count. The direction of this would be positive. The form of this plot is linear, and its strength is moderately strong. Here is the scatter plot that you've been working with on your packet. Pause the video and try to identify the three characteristics shown. Here are the answers. The direction is negative, the form is linear, and the strength is moderately strong. Thank you for watching.